Meet the Pioneer from NEXTORCH. This is more than a multi-tool. This is everything that everyday guy needs to keep in their pocket, plus more. It has that built-in zip tie cutter right there on the outside, and I know what you're thinking. It's probably not very quality. I'll tell you what, guys, the metal composition of this multi-tool is actually stronger than most leading multi-tools because it includes 15% more nickel, which is going to give it more corrosion resistancy. There's a flat blade. You have your standard straight blade knife on the outside, as well as that saw blade. When we open this dude up, I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking there's a giant pair of pliers in there. Nope, that's wrong. This has got a giant pair of serrated scissors in it. These are super sharp. There's a lot of stuff that these are going to cut that a standard pair of scissors will not. Due to the serrated edges on this, it actually gives you a better cutting surface than standard scissors. Most of us don't need scissors every day like that, so NEXTORCH has got you covered both ways. This multi-tool actually has a big pair of pliers in it, as well as that pair of scissors. You have those interchangeable carbide inserts right there, which makes it perfect to cut heavy-duty steel. The outside also is going to have your flat blade screwdriver and that gut hook, which is perfect for opening boxes. You've got a ruler on the outside in the metric system and that belt clip for everyday carry. If you want to pick up the NEXTORCH Pioneer, it's going to be available in several different colors, and NEXTORCH actually has some great deals running on these right now. If you want to grab one of them, I'm going to drop a link at the bottom of the screen so you can.